So now welcome in mouse actions. When you move the mouse, a little arrow called the mouse pointer moves on the screen. The mouse pointer helps in pointing and selecting objects on the screen. जब भी आप अपने माउस को मूव करते हैं, जैसे मैं अभी यहाँ पर माउस को अपने मूव कर रहा हूँ, तो आप यू कैन सी अ टाइटल एरो, दैट इज दिस एरो इज नोन एज माउस पॉइंटर. इट मूव्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. जहाँ भी आप जिस साइड में आप लेफ्ट साइड में अगर मूव कर रहे हैं तो लेफ्ट में मूव होता है, आप राइट में मूव करते हैं तो यू कैन मूव अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड और वर्क. द माउस पॉइंटर हेल्प्स इन पॉइंटिंग एंड सेलेक्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. तो इस माउस पॉइंटर से हम क्या करते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करते हैं और पॉइंट्स करके डबल क्लिक करके ओपन करते हैं. नाउ वी विल नो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट माउस एक्शंस आर. अभी हम जानेंगे कि डिफरेंट माउस एक्शंस क्या हैं. फर्स्ट कम क्लिक, डबल क्लिक, राइट क्लिक, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप. सो फर्स्ट क्लिकिंग द माउस मीन्स pressing the left mouse button once and releasing it. The click is used to select an item on the computer monitor. जैसे कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर में हमारे पास डिफरेंट आइकन्स होते हैं, हम किसी भी आइकन को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो माउस के लेफ्ट क्लिक बटन से क्या करेंगे, इसको सिलेक्ट करते हैं, जिससे वो क्या होता है, सिलेक्ट हो जाता है. और हाउ वी कैन डू इज only single click is used to select an item on the computer monitor. Then comes double click. Double clicking the left mouse button twice within a short period of time and releasing it. This action is used to open a program, file और folder. कोई भी आपका फाइल है, कोई एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम है, फोल्डर है, जब आपको उसको ओपन करना है, सबसे पहले लेफ्ट क्लिक से आपने उसे सेलेक्ट किया और डबल क्लिक आप क्या करते हैं, लगा शॉर्ट पीरियड में होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने डबल क्लिक किया और उसको रिलीज नहीं किया. यू हैव टू रिलीज इट शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, तो जब हम डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारा एक्शन फाइल या फोल्डर खुल जाता है. Then comes right click. With the help of right click, the mouse button can open different shortcuts program. Right clicking the mouse means clicking the right button of the mouse once. This was a list of commands, right? I am right clicking here, so these all things are opening, right? So this way it gives you different shortcuts also within the right click. You can copy, paste, cut. All these commands also come with the right click. Then comes the drag and drop feature. This is a quite interesting feature. Drag and drop, like if you have different icons, I will show you. There are different icons in my desktop. I want to move this file like high code. I have selected, see, I have selected, so single click. I want to open, I am double clicking it. This file is open. Okay, I want to close it. This get closed. No. Now want to move this folder, like you can see PPT folder is there. I have selected, I am taking this process is known as drag and drop. I am shifting, you are shifting of the folder by once you are selecting and dragging. I am dragging it from this location to and dropping it this position in another position. That is known as drag and drop features. Now comes commands, desktop operations. What these desktop operation we can do, just as I show you, drag and drop, moving an icon from one position to another. Just now I did this thing. Let's see how to move the icon recycle bin on the desktop on one position to another. They have given shown the recycle bin folder, they are moving. Okay, what you have to do, just press and hold the mouse button, and later on you have to release this mouse button. Holding the mouse button, drag the icon to the new position and release the mouse button. This is the same thing they are telling, which I showed you earlier. Using computer icon on desktop, they have shown you different icons. What you can do with this, as I told you earlier, we have different drives. The partition which we do of our hard disk, so we have 3 drive here, like C, D, E, F they have mentioned, and DVD drive. So you can see they have mentioned hard disk. So these are the hard disk, partition of the hard disk, C, D and F. And in bottom they have mentioned devices with removable storage. They have mentioned DVD drive, removable disk drive like CD, DVD, pen drive. And this is the computer window. If you go in a computer icon, there you will get to be the contents of any item, example particular hard disk drive partition, double click its icon. So this way you will get all this thing. Now something for you to do, like let's try it. Create a folder on the desktop named my practical file. Open this folder, These are the things which you have to do. Open this folder, my practical file, right click anywhere in the blank area of the right column. In the shortcut menu, click new and select the type of the file you want to create. Say text document. Like I created Excel file, same way you can create text file also. The default name for the text document appears, because if no name is given by you, it will take default name, but you have to give the design name which you want to give. Type the design name and press enter key. Double click to open the file in Notepad. If it is Notepad, it will open in Notepad, otherwise Excel or whatever you want. Type few lines on the topic function of operating system you can write. Save the file by pressing Control S, or by selecting save option from the file menu. As I showed you in my Excel file, I saved it. Discuss the concept of files and folder. Also discuss the importance of creating folders. So this all we have discussed in our previous session. Now there will be some question, or it's like this. I think chapter is closed. So this session is all about that, in which you learned what is file, what is folder, what are the different icons we have, how to move them, okay, what operation we can do, how to create a file, how to put the value inside a file, what are the computer icons, what purpose they have. Like you want to go, there is a computer shortcut, again I am showing you. This is the drive, as they are telling, if you select one particular like C, you have to double click in it. It will show you different folders. It have different folders. Like this is a Windows folder. Inside Windows there are number of files. These are folders of different program which are installed in your system. So this way you can check. If you right click on particular drive like E, right click, as I told you, in right click it gives you different options, where you have properties also. In properties it will show you like how much space used, free space, what are the hardware part, okay, the owners of the company, this disk drive, Hitachi, or type of different thing, version. So all these things you can do with this files, folders, mouse, keyboard. Now I will show you something practically. Like you want to create some text file, you have to go Notepad program. There I have written students welcome. Now I am using backspace, as I told you. Backspace, see, this is deleting the character from right to left. Again I am typing welcome. Now my cursor in W, after W I am deleting, see, delete button. Now it's deleting right sides. This one you must be understanding. Then why using this thing, what I am doing, using backspace, it takes me towards left side, and delete, it is taking me towards right side. So it's deleting right side character and backspace deleting left side character. Now I have on caps lock and I am typing Manish, but whatever I am typing is in caps. Now I have off, caps lock is off. I am just pressing only Shift and M, otherwise there are small, because only I use Shift button with M, so it is capital M, otherwise other key or alphabets are in small letters. So this is a use of Shift key also. And other function, as I already explained to you, you have to just apply these things in your practical session. If you have laptop at your home or desktop, you must try all these things to understand, and then it will be quite easy for you. And I want to save this thing in file menu. You can see the save option is there. You can give save and name, txt is there, test11, and this file will be saved. The name is already there, test 1 2 3 4.